today we will be doing some niter bluing. Inside of our Lyman Big Dipper casting furnace here, we have our niter bluing salts. Now, Brownell sells this. Well, they say that they sell it about once every year or two. It's actually in stock, but really it's just potassium or ammonium nitrate, which you can get at your local ranch and garden store off of Amazon. It's sold as stump remover. Get stump remover, not stump killer. Stump killer is copper sulfite, and getting that stuff up this hot will mess you up like polio. Don't do it. So get your stump remover, and what we do is we are going to have a reaction that is largely due to heat. There's not much going on in here chemically, and we can put our steel pins and screws into our cauldron here that will bubble, toil, and trouble. And it's and at different temperatures, it's going to turn different colors. We're just going to have to be diligent about checking it every couple of seconds. The directions, if you actually feel like reading them, says bring it up to the appropriate temperature for the appropriate color that you want, and let it sit for 45 minutes. But ain't nobody got time for that. So we're just going to be impatient and check on it every so often as it comes up to temperature. And if we're real lucky, we can get at this extremely bright and vibrant electric blue color. Now, why do we do that? Well, the same reason why we have those stupid little LED valve stem covers and windshield washer sprayers on our cars when we were kids. It makes it go faster. 5 horsepower right there in the pot. So we're just barely starting to change color there, and it's about damn time. We're starting to pick up a slight straw color to it. It's back in the soup. Now, if you're really good at this, you can get the same thing with the blowtorch, but I always end up just melting things or blowing right past my color and have to start all over. If you do blow past your color, you can always polish it back off. There we go, starting to get a bit of a bronze. And try it again as much as you want. It's very superficial, it's a very delicate finish, it's very surface level. So we do hammers and triggers, but just knowing that it's going to wear off over time. The pins and screws, generally they're countersunk just a little bit, so they'll stay bright and vibrant a little bit longer, especially if you take care of your toys. Got a nice bronze there. Starting to move into purple. There we go, starting to pick up a little bit of a purple hue to it. I want to say blue hits at about 540. That's degrees Frankenstein, not science. A little bit deeper purple. Move to a light purple. Got a nice deep vibrant purple now. Which, if that's your favorite color, you can stop here. I want blue. Starting to turn blue there. If your favorite tractor store on Amazon is all sold out of this, you can also go find your buddy that has some strongly held beliefs about the government. He probably has a bunch sitting around too. There we go. We're starting to get into a darker blue. A couple more seconds and we should be there. That's about the color that I'm looking for. So to arrest the process, we quench in water. And then dunk them in oil so that they don't rust. Then we start the process all over with our next pins.